start this day a brand new way, a guardian of the earth and sky above, my life given to what I can be proud of, a symbol of my everlasting love. Think globally, act locally, the earth belongs to you. Think globally, act locally, the earth belongs to you. Don't be afraid of the task at hand, for there's a union throughout the land. We can save our world and set ourselves free when we stand for a new possibility. Think globally, act locally, the earth belongs to you. Think globally, act locally, the earth belongs to you. Think globally, act locally, the earth belongs to you. Think globally, act locally, the earth belongs to you. The earth belongs, act locally, the earth belongs to you. Think globally, act locally, the earth belongs to you.
The encyclical by Pope Francis, Laudato Si, comes from a 13th century prayer written by St. Francis of Assisi called Canticle of the Creatures, often referred to as the Canticle of the Sun. The Latin title can be translated both as Be Praised or Praised Be, which the canticle repeats several times to praise and thank God for creation. Addressing his encyclical Laudato Si to every person living in this planet, Pope Francis is appealing to us to enter into an inclusive dialogue about how we are shaping the future of our planet. He is calling us to acknowledge the urgency of our environmental challenges and to join him in embarking on a new path. How do we begin to walk on this new path? Undoubtedly, there are many ways of beginning and continuing the journey. Sisters of Notre Dame in Bangalore, along with our collaborators, have embarked on a journey to enhance the relationship of mutual responsibility between humans and creation, ushering in a new consciousness where justice, peace, and integrity of creation will find a safe and healthy home. Sisters have undertaken many wonderful new initiatives to educate and provide opportunities for the members, collaborators in our school and other areas of our ministries to engage in projects focused on JPIC issues. Sister Mary Christine, the Superior General of the Sisters of Notre Dame, in her opening address to the JPIC coordinators in April 2018 says, JPIC orientation for life and mission means to nurture our hearts and minds to be sensitive and attuned to the suffering and injustices in our world, in our personal living and working situation. We are challenged to grow in nurturing a compassionate attitude of the heart so that we are empathetic and non-violent at all times. As we celebrate the Laudato Si week, we pray that the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world as one family, captures the hearts and minds of all of us, so that we acknowledge our shared responsibility in building a better world and a better future for all of creation. Thank you.